Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix airplane mode stuck on Windows 11. So it's actually very easy fixing this problem. First up, what you need to do is just go to Windows Run. You need to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard or search up Run right over here, and you'll see this. And just press on OK and it will show up like this. Now you just gotta press in R until you find Radio Management Service. Right click on that and then just simply press on Restart. I don't have any flight mode turned on, but you simply need to restart it. And once the restart process is done, close this and you need to go to your CMD. You just need to type in command prompt or CMD and this will open up. Right over here you just gotta type in ipconfig. Okay, you just gotta type in ipconfig/release. It's typed in ipconfig for me, but remember it's CONFID and then space /release. Once you do that, just simply press enter. It will do its process, and in the end just replace release with renew. And once this is done, you're good. Now close this and go to your settings, and right over here in Windows 11 you will see an option of flight mode which will be turned off. And that's basically it. So yeah, I hope this really actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.